Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, February 23. The Jamaica Diaspora policy is expected to be before Cabinet for review by June. Foreign Affairs State Minister Arnaldo Brown says work is progressing smoothly on the policy, which was sent out for wide consultations.
As far as I'm advised, should be at least at the green paper stage by the time we get to conference.
The State Minister was speaking at last Friday's launch of the 6th Biennial Diaspora Conference. It's slated for June 13 to 18 at the Montego Bay Convention Center. The Diaspora policy will be circulated at the conference, which will feature several activities, including a marketplace, a government at your service initiative, and a Diaspora Day of Service. The National Housing Trust has accelerated its titling program for the more than 7,000 contributors who are yet to receive titles for NHT built and funded properties.
The NHT reports that it has now completed the processing of more than 2,000 of these titles at no additional cost to the contributors.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller made that disclosure at a recent ceremony to present 60 NHT contributors with their keys and letters of possession for homes at Sandhills Vista in Helsher St. Catherine. A new development order will soon be signed for the Negril Green Island region of Westmoreland and Hanover. Land Minister Robert Pickersgill says under the new order, developers will be allowed to construct commercial buildings of up to 4 floors tall.
Having completed the consultations and the various stages of reviews, as the minister responsible for planning, I propose to make a change to the allowable height of buildings in the Negril area. This change would move the allowable height from 3 to 4 floors.
The change will be a minor adjustment and will set the policy guideline for how the Negril Green Island Local Planning Authority and the Hanover and Westmoreland Parish Councils are to consider planning applications. Government's Mobile Business Clinic initiative will be heading to Hanover this week. Spearheaded by the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, it offers an opportunity for entrepreneurs in remote areas to get free technical and financial advice in one location. This week's Mobile Business Clinic will be held at the Lucy Parish Church Hall on Tuesday and Wednesday. This follows successful stops in the parishes of St. James and Westmoreland, with more than 500 entrepreneurs already receiving assistance. The Education Ministry will be offering assistance to the LANNAMAN'S kindergarten and nursery in St. Andrew, which was recently destroyed by fire. Portfolio Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites offered words of encouragement and assurance to staff and students while on a tour of the facility after the fire. He said that even though the institution was a private school, his ministry would be seeing how it could aid in the recovery efforts.
My visit is just to encourage you and to promise that we will sit down with your principal and the board members, and we will see how from the ministry we can help you perhaps with some books, we can help you with some furniture, and whatever else in the long term may be necessary, so LANNAMAN'S can be strong and progressive and produce good students all the time.
And finally, this year's celebration of Jamaica Day is taking place this Friday, February 27. The theme is Celebrating Jamaica, celebrating regional friendships from Bookman to Bolivar.
It is very worthwhile for us to catch the spirit, the spark of Bookman and Bolivar and all of the Jamaicans who have worked for liberation and understood that whoever you are, whatever your resources or the lack of them, whatever you look like, you can never be free. You can never be a liberated spirit unless those around you are similarly liberated.
The national observance will occur at the Norman Manley High School in St. Andrew, with that institution partnering with state agencies to implement community renewal projects. Jamaica Day is part of the Culture in Education program run by the Ministry of Education. Schools are being encouraged to promote community spirit and volunteerism as part of this year's celebrations. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.